authorities. Speeds top 100 miles an hour on city streets. Ex-con Kenneth McCoy's out on parole, and he'll do anything to stay out of the slammer.
Oh, right there! He almost ran into somebody there.
The crazed criminal searches for an escape route.
And now he's in a parking lot. He may be cornered in here.
But this thief won't be caught so easily. Then, a horrifying turn.
He's driving on the sidewalk now. There could be more kids out here. This is unbelievable.
The ex-con barrels 50 miles an hour on a sidewalk. Luckily, no trick-or-treaters fall victim to his Halloween hell ride. The police know they need to do something fast to end this nightmare.
Now, at these speeds, officers cannot pin this guy. They can't even keep up with him right now.
Officers see their chance when McCoy screeches to a stop.
Oh, whoa! He's locked at the brakes there. He stopped. The cop car's right behind him.
But he's on the run again before they can take him down. Seconds later, with no way through the mounting traffic, the frantic thief bails on foot. He tries to hide from Burbank's finest, but this Halloween terror's bag of tricks is bone dry.